Here's quick tip number 2 for you. When you're in a town like this with a lot of shops and delivery vehicles, if you look in shop windows, you get an early indication if something is either coming around the corner or if somebody's going to be walking out from behind a van. So use the windows as well as looking underneath the vehicles, and you'll get a lot more information. If you look here, I can see in the shop window on the left that there's a chevroned vehicle in front of that 7.5 tonner. Let me move over for you. And there he is. 7.5 ton. It's not a 7.5, it's a 3.5, isn't it? But if you sit here, if you look in that shop window there, you can see the vehicle that's in front of the one that's in front of me. That also helps you with pedestrians and animals. Thanks for watching.